What modules are actually inside an ERP software? Let's break it down. ERP software is a system that brings all business process into one platform so teams stay connected and data updated in real time. These business processes are organized into several modules that you'll commonly find in an ERP system. First, there's the finance module, which is used to record transactions, manage invoices and expenses, and generate financial reports in real time. Next is the sales and CRM module. This module helps sales teams manage customer data, track leads, and organize the sales process more effectively. Then there's the inventory module in ERP software, designed to monitor stock levels, track incoming and outgoing items, and support better inventory planning to keep operations running smoothly. Another one is the procurement module, which helps manage the procurement process from purchase requests and vendor selection to structured transaction records. Beyond these, ERP software also includes other modules such as HR, supply chain, operations, and many more. In modern ERP systems, each module provides valuable data, insights, and recommendations to support business growth. If you're looking for an ERP system with these modules, you can find more information in the description below.